The thoughts, views, and opinions expressed by the people you see in my vlogs are for entertainment purposes only. I repeat, it is not serious nor trying to be offensive/negative to anyone. This is all for fun and no hate towards anyone, color, or race. I love everyone equally. No one is exposing, revealing, indicting, or telling you anything about themselves. Also, I do not encourage you to try this at home. I am a trained professional who do not have your best interests at heart or my own. Enjoy the video.
Can we make them all alive? So what's it gonna be? Cause tonight's so baby. Can we play with the stars tonight?
You guys are too much. Don't even watch that, okay? You can touch it. Man's out here, you know what I mean? It's vlog time.
Had enough of this cruel world. So see what happens.
I don't know what this nigga talking about, but yo, nigga. Grab a good fucking time, and this is the fucking road we're fucking going down, nigga. And we're gonna be hitting some fucking trail. Yeah, check it out.
Oh, he's talking about we're gonna have fun.
And if he can't go, give him a push there, Halston, after, yeah? It's awkward as fuck, I'm telling you. I put it like that, and then, whoa, fuck! Holy shit, no.
It's not funny though, ladies and gentlemen. That's what's so fun. Easy to get it up.
We got this disco ball, but we got Salacoute up on there. Oh, Salacoute, get down. Kids are coming back, yo. You won't, bro. Come on, man.
What if I hit the concrete? Yeah, fuck it, then I'll fuck this video shit. You see what people do for videos? You wanna be cool? This is not fucking cool, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be fucking telling you.
No.
Wait,
I got you, bro. Just reach. Austin, grab the camera, bro. No, you're good, bro. I'm pulling the mat. Alright, good, man. You're good. You good?
Oh my fucking foot, look at the injury. The injury's real. Oh, the skin is white. See what you do, ladies and gentlemen, for the fucking gram TikTok YouTube.
Oh,
Ooh, baby, how many times?
It's vlog time. Where we at, yo? Out here, it's been like 5 days I haven't smoked weed. I got my buddy that hasn't fucking drank alcohol for a week. I got my other buddy, Ali. How long has it been since you smoked weed? A month? This guy like 2 months, yo. This is the sober crew right here, yo. Every video you used to see me smoking fucking weed. Newsflash. Not anymore, nigga. Anyways, look at this around here. While I was withdrawing. Look at this. Yeah, it's pretty cool. One of the flowers and whatnot. We got here a nice little gate. Cool. What else we got? I guess families, rest in peace. Plant trees and whatnot. There we go. Who said it's easy?
Yeah, she did. Yeah, you did put everything. You put weed, alcohol, cigarettes, everything.
I'm trying my best.
No? Where's the notes? Okay, then I'll call you, okay, sweetie?
Are you gonna be late today?
I don't know. I'll let you know. Yo,
There's one right there.
I'm getting him peanuts. So give him a peanut. Come on. Come on.
Watch out. Hold this. You guys gotta back up, man.
Here, take some more. Take some more. He's waiting for it. Look, he's waiting for one.
Oh, you guys can't be close to me, man. It's not gonna happen.
Oh, chill. Yeah, he'll take it off your hand. He'll take it off your hand. He'll take it off your hand. Go right here.
No, watch and learn. No, you cannot. Watch and learn. Shit, it was supposed to come in my hand.
Another one here.
Was another one? Well, they're all coming in.
Give him one. Give him one.
Food for them?
Peanuts.
Nuts,
Yeah.
yeah.
Look, he's eating it.
Give me another one. Oh, they're all gonna come? Wait, I want some too. They're stealing all the fucking shit. They just store it in their mouth and they eat it later. Look, he's like, I'm not eating it in front of you fuckers. I'm out of here. It's funny because those big ones are scared as shit. The small ones.
Here.
Let me see if I can get the black
Here.
one. The black one is, if it bites me,
He can't approach it like that though. He ain't gonna come. He's got
yeah,
to.
no, he will. They will.
Fighting over the 20 that they ate out of Robbie's hand.
Bro, come on, man. Don't tell me they all fucking left.
He's gonna come back. They're just gonna. He went to go store everything he had in his cheek somewhere, and he's coming back.
Come.
Right there. Go up there.
Scared the shit out of. Holy fuck, that thing knows how to climb a tree. Shit. That thing's like a fucking rat.
Right there. He's right there. Down there. Going that way.
Oh, go for a walk. There's more, man. More the chippy monks. Yeah.
You just got a video of feeding a chipmunk. Is that your first video of all the time?
There's gonna be a yellow thingy down here, and then there's another thing down here. You might even catch some deers out here too, man.
I seen white-tailed deers out here. Other time I was here. White-tailed deer. Oh, Rio, right here is another feeding spot for things.
Yeah, right up there, I was saying.
Right here, they're all right here. Come on.
Yo, follow the guy that comes here every day, eh? This is like a place where you go with your bike.
Yeah, that's why I bring my bike.
You're walking through this thing? Jeez, it must be an adventure. Give Ali $100 if you can come in.
They have a thing right here.
Yeah. Oh, withdraw.
I'm not kidding you. The birds will come on your hand here and grab the peanuts. They may be like seeds though, but like peanuts will do it. No matter how many birds. This is the